2021 AJSA National Classic here in Grand Island, Nebraska.
So the show here today, we showed our bred and owned purebred heifers as well as our own percentage heifers. This is the first of our 2-day show in which roughly 600 exhibitors will be exhibiting over 800 head of cattle. And so we're really excited. It's our largest national classic to date.
This year we have record number of entries. We entered over 1,220 head of cattle and over 600 exhibitors. It's a great event for youth, and they get to come together and be with other juniors of the same breed. It is a great event also for their educational contests as well. They learn a lot.
I do feel that the National Classic and the Regional Classics help you prepare for life. Our educational contests cover such a broad variety of different topics.
I keep coming back because it's fun, and especially with the contest, it helps with whenever you're older. Today I won the purebred bred and owned show, and it's pretty exciting. It's a really big deal, especially since it was a bred and owned show, and it means a lot to me and my family.
Yes, I've been looking forward to coming to this show for many months. I just learned so much. I just enjoy everything. Like, it's not just the people, I get to learn so much, lifelong skills that will stay with me forever.
It's a vacation for us in the sense that we get to go out and we get to see our friends from, whether that be within our own state or friends from across the country. And yet at the same time, we get to have a competitive nature in it. We get to improve our knowledge throughout the week as well.
Majority of my friends are Simi people. I get to meet all of them and really experience a good time with all of them. The Junior Association is a great opportunity for the young cattlemen in this business because it gives them a chance to have a voice in their association and basically say, hey, I want this to happen, or no, this should not happen.
Not only is it such a fun environment to be a part of as a junior member throughout the week and being active in the different shows, but at home they work really well. It's a very high growth breed or a high performing breed. They add added pounds in terms of commercial value, and yet they still go out and make great mothers and help build a herd and keep longevity within our herd.
The Simmental Association is headed for greatness. With the younger generations that we have, our future is so bright. Our juniors are so intelligent and so ready for life. They know how to persevere, they know what hard work is, they know what to do, and they will get it done.